Hey, do baby, it's your girl Robin. Today we are doing a healthy day in the life plus reorganizing and redecorating my apartment. So typically my day starts out at the gym, as you just saw. Then I head to my mailbox if I have any mail, and then I went to the grocery store and picked up some fruit. So I'm just showing you all that right here. I went ahead and made myself some fruit salad since I knew I would be wanting this fruit throughout the week. So I put it in a container together, threw some sugar on top of it, mixed it all around, made a little fruit salad for myself. So for breakfast / lunch, I went ahead and made myself a yogurt parfait. This is one of my favorite snacks to have. So I threw in some Greek yogurt, fat-free, and then some granola, chia seeds, and fruit on top. So yummy. Then I went ahead and opened up some mail. I had some coffee and then an Aquafit water bottle. I'm drinking a gallon of water a day with the girls at my work, so this is super fun. Really glad I got this. Okay, now for the fun part. This is the preview of what my apartment currently looks like. There's nothing too horrible about it, but I just did not like the way it was looking. I obviously need to do a lot of cleaning up, but I figured this would be a good time to kind of reevaluate and see where I could just tweak some things a little bit to make it look a little nicer, a little more grown up now that I am more used to living the adult life and being on my own. I really want to make this space my own, and so I just did some reevaluating of all my areas and seeing what I could change, where I could move things to make them function better, to look better, and what things I needed to go and buy. So here I'm just showing you guys literally what my apartment looked like when I first started. This was just me showing you literally every room so you knew what it looked like beforehand. And yeah, I am super excited to get started. I just went ahead and started cleaning. So I started out in the living room. I did a whole bunch of just going through junk and drawers of things that I had not touched really since I moved into my apartment. I thought one of the ways I could elevate my space was to take things that I already had and manipulate them to look a little bit better. So one of the things I did was grab this can of gold spray paint I've had laying around for a while now and just spray painted these things that I was thinking about getting rid of. These actually ended up elevating my space a lot. I was spray painting these throughout the entire day. That's why they're just randomly thrown in here, but I do spray paint them throughout, and I just wanted you guys to see the process of that because I thought that really elevated my space, and I didn't realize how much a paint color could really change up things. Now with these shelves, I went through and rearranged things. I obviously went through with the magic eraser and just wiped everything down, but as you can tell, I rearranged things to just look a little more pleasing to the eye, and I really like how this turned out. I went through and detail cleaned after this, so I wiped down this mirror, I vacuumed out this chair and underneath it, and just really got down to the nitty-gritty. I also decided that my baseboards were looking a little whack, so again, that handy-dandy magic eraser, I got down on the floor and started scrubbing the baseboards so that they looked a little bit nicer. If I could give you one cleaning piece of advice, it would be use magic erasers. They are amazing. You can use them for literally any and everything, and they help with so many things. So here I am just vacuuming up the entire living room and realizing I absolutely hate this rug and I need a new one. Okay, y'all, I just got back from Walmart, so I'm gonna do a quick little haul before we get back into the time lapse. I really wasn't gonna go buy a whole bunch of stuff before I cleaned and like put everything out, but then I started doing some cleaning and I realized that I really want a new rug for the living room. This one's just starting to like tear up a little bit. And I have room for a rug in that other room, and I want to put a rug in there anyway, so we're going to go ahead and throw that rug, this rug right here, into another room. So I'm not throwing it out, I'm just putting it somewhere else. Then I'm going to add this nice new rug. I then just went ahead and picked up some pillows to just kind of throw. So I have this pillow and these two decorative pillows to go ahead and throw on the couch right here to brighten up and lighten up this couch a little bit as well. And then I needed some new rugs for the bathroom. So I got some new rugs and some new towels. I got white rugs for the floor and these like peachy cream towels for our towels. And I think these are gonna be so cute. Again, I just needed something bright because I felt like the dark blue was bringing everything down. Oh my gosh, y'all. When I say that I was ecstatic to get a new rug, I literally did not understand how much a rug could change up an entire room. Granted, these pillows helped a lot, but I felt like my entire environment just livened up when I put this rug in here. I love, love, love it. Highly recommend upping your rug if you're looking for a quick, easy way to upgrade your space already. So now I'm obviously deep cleaning the bathroom, so I am going through everything here, toilet, shower, sinks, going through all my drawers right here, reorganizing, putting different things away and down. Now onto the bedroom. I got some new pillowcases because our pillowcases weren't actually fitting our pillows, and I went ahead and throw those on there. And you can see my cat just sitting at the end of the bed being cute right here. I did not move him because he's adorable and deserves to be left alone. Alright, and last but certainly not least, the arts and crafts room. This room gets messy real fast, especially when we're doing arts and crafts, so I just wanted to make it a little more practical. I shifted some furniture around in here and put that rug from the living room in here. I'm sorry, halfway through here I turn off the light for some reason and just don't ever turn it back on, so I put the rug on the floor in here. It's in the dark, I'm sorry, but I do put the rug in here. I love how my apartment turned out. I think all of these little things came together and really elevated my space, adding in those gold accents and then adding in those pillows, and the rugs on the floor just really tie in every single room. I'm so happy with how my apartment is looking and turning out. I really feel like I'm starting to get my own sense of style and really understand who I am and how to have a functioning home space while still being super cute. I love my living room. I think it looks so bright. I also spray painted this bird picture on the wall and these two little shelves right here that are gold. I love them. I think they turned out so cute. They tie together the room so well. And yeah, I just really love the way my apartment's looking. So here's just an overview of everything once it was done. Nice, bright, airy, and boho. I love the way this turned out. Just some really simplistic things just from Walmart to just spice up and elevate my space just a tiny bit, brighten up and make my life a little more lively. I really hope you guys liked seeing how I elevated my space in just one day by cleaning, reorganizing, and adding in some new pieces of furniture and decoration. I really loved doing this, so if you guys want to see any of these types of videos again, please let me know in the comments. I would love to do some more cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and home organization videos. We're actually looking to move into a house here pretty soon, so once that happens, you know that all things house will be coming your way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'm super excited for what 2021 is bringing, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.